This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need both earbuds charged and the case open. Start now. Place earbuds in the case, then remove them so they wake and attempt auto-pairing. While they search, go into your phone's Bluetooth and forget any existing Razer Hammerhead True Wireless X entry. This clears previous pairing data. Once done, close the Razer app if it's running. Apps can hold profiles that block resets, and keep the case lid open. This primes the earbuds for the reset sequence that follows. Now perform the reset. With the case open, press and hold both earbud multifunction buttons simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. You'll see the LEDs change. A steady then alternating red and white blink means the earbuds are erasing settings. Keep holding until the LEDs flash rapidly or briefly show a solid color, which signals completion. Release the buttons, then immediately place both earbuds back in the case and close the lid for a few seconds. To finalize, open the case and remove the earbuds. They should enter fresh pairing mode and appear in your device's Bluetooth list as Razer Hammerhead True Wireless X. Select them to pair. If they do not appear, reboot your phone and retry the scan. Interference or cached Bluetooth stacks often block discovery. If pairing still fails, perform the factory reset one more time, ensuring full charge, or test with a second phone. If problems persist after repeat resets, contact Razer support as a final step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.